What if I told you that your body glows in the dark, that bananas are radioactive, and that there are places on Earth where water can boil and freeze at the same time? These facts sound fake. They sound like click, but every single one of them is scientifically proven. Today, we're diving into science, facts that feel impossible, facts that sound like science fiction, but are 100% real. Stay until the end, because the final fact might completely change how you see reality itself. Yes. Right now, as you watch this video, your body is glowing. Not metaphorically, not spiritually, not physically. The human body emits a very faint light caused by biochemical reactions inside your cells. When your cells produce energy, tiny amounts of light are released. The glow is too weak for human eyes to detect. But with ultra-sensitive cameras, scientists can actually see it. So technically, humans are bioluminescent. We're just very bad at showing it. This sounds like a joke. But bananas are genuinely radioactive. They contain potassium. And a tiny fraction of that potassium is a radioactive isotope. It's completely harmless. Of course, but sensitive detectors can measure radiation from bananas. There's even a scientific joke unit called the banana equivalent dose, used to explain radiation exposure. So, yes, your healthy snack is quietly radioactive. Under normal conditions, water behaves predictably, but under very specific pressure conditions, water can exist as solid, liquid, and gas at the same time. This phenomenon is called the triple point. At this exact point, ice, liquid water, and water vapor coexist in perfect balance. It looks unreal, it looks staged, but it's one of the most fundamental concepts in physics. Nature doesn't always follow our intuition. Octopuses are already strange creatures. But here's where it gets weird. They have 3 hearts to pump blood to the gills. One pumps blood to the rest of the body, and their blood is blue, not red. That's because they use copper instead of iron to transport oxygen. Even stranger, when an octopus swims, its main heart stops beating. So swimming actually exhausts them, which is why octopuses prefer crawling. Trees don't scream. They don't talk, but they do communicate through underground fungal networks, often called the Wood Wide Web. Trees send chemical signals to each other. If one tree is attacked by insects, it can warn nearby trees. Those trees then release chemicals to defend themselves. Forests are not collections of individual plants. They are connected systems, almost like one giant organism. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is not constant. Time moves differently depending on speed and gravity. GPS satellites orbiting Earth experience time slightly faster than we do on the ground. Without correcting for this difference, GPS systems would drift by kilometers every day. So yes, time is moving at a different rate for objects above your head. Time is flexible, and we live inside it. This sounds completely wrong, but scientists estimate there are over 3 trillion trees on Earth. Meanwhile, the Milky Way galaxy contains around 100 to 400 billion stars. That means Earth may contain more trees than our galaxy has stars. The universe is vast, but life on Earth is even more abundant than we imagine. Your memories feel real. They feel accurate, but your brain edits them constantly. Studies show that the human brain can create false memories, events that never actually happened. Sometimes just hearing a story repeatedly is enough to make your brain believe it. Memory is not a recording. It's a reconstruction. Your past is partially rewritten every time you remember it. Humans can hear only a narrow range of sound frequencies, but the universe is filled with vibrations beyond our perception. Whales communicate with sounds so low we barely detect them. Some insects hear frequencies far above human limits. Even the universe itself produces vibrations, cosmic background noise left over from the Big Bang. Reality is louder than we can ever hear. Atoms are mostly empty space, If you removed all the empty space inside your atoms, the entire human population could fit inside a sugar cube. You feel solid. But on a fundamental level, you're almost entirely nothing. Matter is an illusion created by forces. Everything you see, color, sound, texture, exists only because your brain interprets electrical signals. Reality is filtered, edited. Translated, you are not seeing the universe as it truly is. You're seeing a version your brain can survive in. And that might be the strangest fact of all. Science doesn't just explain reality. It reveals how strange reality actually is. If these facts surprised you, imagine how much more there is left to discover. Which fact shocked you the most? Leave a comment and subscribe for more science that sounds fake but is absolutely real.